Our planet is teeming with life. From the bustling cities to the lush rainforests, signs of life are abundant. But there's a place on Earth so remote, so isolated, that it's earned the title of the loneliest place on our planet. This place is called Point Nemo. Point Nemo is the oceanic pole of inaccessibility. It's the spot in the ocean farthest from any landmass on Earth. This point lies in the South Pacific Ocean, thousands of miles from any human civilization. The closest humans to Point Nemo are often not even on Earth. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station, orbiting hundreds of miles above, are frequently the closest humans to this desolate location. It's a stark reminder of the vastness of our planet and the isolation that exists within it. The discovery of Point Nemo wasn't the result of a daring expedition or a lucky find. It was a triumph of mathematics and geography. In 1992, Croatian-Canadian survey engineer Hrvoje Lukatela set out to find the most remote point on Earth using computer modeling. Lukatela developed a unique geodesic computer program that could calculate the farthest point on the Earth's surface from any three given coordinates. He input the coordinates of the three most remote islands: Ducie Island, part of the Pitcairn Islands to the north, Motu Nui, part of the Easter Islands to the northeast, and Maher Island off the coast of Antarctica to the south. The program crunched the numbers and pinpointed the spot in the vast South Pacific Ocean now known as Point Nemo. The name Nemo, meaning no one in Latin, couldn't be more fitting for this isolated location. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the ability to explore the unknown from the comfort of our own planet. Point Nemo is more than just a geographical curiosity. It's a window into the extremes of our planet. The region surrounding Point Nemo is a vast oceanic desert, largely devoid of life due to its unique conditions. The remoteness of Point Nemo means that wind currents carrying nutrients from land masses rarely reach this part of the ocean. These nutrient-poor waters can't support a thriving ecosystem. The lack of nutrients, combined with strong currents and intense sunlight, makes Point Nemo an incredibly challenging environment for life to flourish. While some specialized bacteria and microorganisms can survive in these harsh conditions, Point Nemo remains a stark contrast to the vibrant coral reefs and teeming shorelines found elsewhere in the ocean. It's a reminder that life, even in its most resilient forms, requires a specific set of conditions to truly thrive. Section 4. Spacecraft Cemetery. The isolation of Point Nemo might make it seem insignificant, but it plays a vital role in space exploration. This desolate point in the ocean has become the final resting place for many spacecraft, earning it the nickname Spacecraft Cemetery. When satellites or spacecraft reach the end of their operational life, they need to be brought back down to Earth. However, crashing them onto land could pose risks to human life and property. Point Nemo, being the farthest point from any human settlement, provides a safe zone for controlled deorbiting. Space agencies carefully plan the re-entry trajectory of these spacecraft to ensure they land within the designated area around Point Nemo. This minimizes the risk of debris landing in populated areas. Point Nemo serves as a controlled impact zone, allowing us to retire spacecraft safely and responsibly. Section 5. Managing the debris field. One notable example of a spacecraft laid to rest at Point Nemo is the Mir space station. This Russian space station, after 15 years of orbiting Earth, was decommissioned in 2001. Its controlled re-entry over Point Nemo marked the end of an era in space exploration. While Point Nemo provides a relatively safe zone for deorbiting spacecraft, it's important to note that the accumulation of space debris is an ongoing concern. International space agencies actively monitor and manage this debris field to prevent collisions with operational satellites and spacecraft. Efforts are underway to develop sustainable solutions for space debris mitigation. These include designing spacecraft for easier disposal, developing technologies for debris removal, and international cooperation to establish responsible space traffic management practices. Point Nemo, despite its remoteness, highlights the interconnectedness of our planet and the need for global collaboration in addressing the challenges of space exploration.